What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zen and I'm a PDR technician, and today we will be doing some PDR, not on a car, but on this. So behind me there is a gas tank for the motorbike that we will fix. You can already see one big dent from here, and there is another one on the other side. Now, I will first show you how I mounted this thing, and then we will fix it. So here, on this side, we have this big dent going straight over the body line, but I'm not that worried because it's not that sharp. On the other hand, here, another dent going through a different body line, and this one is a bit more worrisome for me because also of its position. It's more far away from my access point. My access point is right here, and this one won't be a problem. That one will give us more trouble. But before we do that, let's check where I fixated on. This is a tank vise, MPDR tank vise. Now it's a great thing. I think Dent Tools sells them. My only problem with this is it's not stable. But this is not because of the vise, it's because of this. I put it in on here because on the floor in my shop we have heating in the floor, so I cannot drill down to the floor to fix it there. So I had to do this concrete thing. Just there's a little wobbly, but we gotta do what we gotta do. How I fix this tank on the vise here in front, connected everything, then I put some wood and just screwed it in so it holds in front. And on the back, I put support here and use a ratchet to tighten it up. It should hold. It should hold. You need to be really careful also when you're pushing these things because they're really hard. Metal is really hard, so you need a lot of force to push it. And you must be careful not to destroy the entry access points, all the metal around it. With this dent, I will first start with the glue pull, then I will switch to pushing, and I will use special tools just for MPDR. Look, this is where we pull now, but all the crown here is left. So I want to do a few more pulls here, maybe get it even more smaller. I don't care if I have more crowns, I will just tap them down later. this is how far we got with just glue pulling. Now it's time for some pushing. I finished pushing the first dent. Still needs sanding and polishing, but I will do that together to both of the dents at the end. But now let's move to the second one. It's not as big as this one was, but it's it's further on the gas tank, so the axis will be heavier and it's also sharp through the body line. So the tools I used on this one was mainly this for pushing. This is Ultra Dent MPDR tool. MPDR stands for Motorcycle Paintless Dent Repair. I used just the plastic rubber tip. Oh, not rubber, plastic. And that's it. I did some tapping down, I did some glue pulling as you saw. And it turned out great. So, if you like this, make sure you click the like button, click the subscribe button. It helps me grow the channel. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one and have a great one.